In part 1, we pushed the repetitive work onto a cheaper model. That helps, but it's the smallest of 3 levers, and not the one that matters most. The biggest lever isn't which model you call at all. The instinct is to treat cost as a property of the model. Pick a cheaper one, the bill drops. It's more useful to think of cost as a property of the whole loop. One number governs it, model price, times tokens supplied, times number of calls. Switching models only touches the first term. The other 2 are usually where the money is. Here's the hidden multiplier. An API call carries no memory. Whatever the model should know for a step, your code has to send again. And the lazy way to do that is to send everything, every time. And everything means the entire conversation so far, the whole repository, every previous response, including the ones you threw away, full test logs and stack traces, files that have nothing to do with the current change, all of it resent on every single call. So the cost of call 40 is not the cost of call 1, it's far larger. Call 40 rereads everything from the first 39. Each step carries every step before it, so the cost doesn't just climb, it compounds, double the session, and you roughly quadruple the spend. The useful information stays small and constant. It's the resent baggage that grows. And this isn't only about money. Bury the one relevant function inside 50,000 tokens of unrelated material, and you make the model's job harder, not easier. The signal is still there. It's just harder to find. Bloated context and poor answers tend to arrive together. Forget exact prices. Just count token calls. Hold both agents to the same 8 calls. Resend everything, and the context ramps higher with every call. Send each step only what it needs, and every call stays flat. That alone is about 9 times less. Proof the cost is the accumulation, not the number of calls. Fewer calls only widen the gap. So, the lever that matters most isn't a cheaper model. It's context discipline, sending each step what it needs, and nothing else. Get that right, and the bill falls by a factor a model switch can't touch. That's part 2. In part 3, we go cross-provider, routing the high-volume work through a cheaper model entirely, while keeping a frontier model for the decisions that justify it. The full article is linked below. Subscribe, and we'll see you there.